laundry. I'm doing it here in this basin because I cannot afford a washing machine. Washing machines are expensive. I love doing the laundry because unlike doing the dishes, doing the laundry gives me a sense of satisfaction, and I love when I do my own laundry. I do the laundry twice a week. To do the laundry, I use the powder soap. We think powder soap helps to remove the stains, especially on white clothes. It's a normal thing in Africa to stay outside and do the laundry. We have space in the house, so I can stay outside to do the laundry. People say it's not good to wring. To wring a cloth when you wash it, it's not good to wring it like this. This clothesline hack, um, I made it in 2020 when I got here because I like it. Doing the laundry is amazing. In Africa, we do it traditionally, and we have the sun, we have the sun to dry the clothes, so we hang dry them, and it will take just a few minutes for clothes to dry. If you enjoyed watching me, tell me if you do your own laundry or you get people wash your clothes. Tell me how you do your laundry, and if you learned something from the video too, kindly let me know.